That's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
Welcome to the third tutorial on Theme C. It's a good idea to take notes on the key points I mention. We will be looking at the difference between civil and criminal law, and what happens in a civil court. Civil law covers disputes between individuals or groups. Civil law cases are often about rights. Criminal law deals with offenses such as murder or drug dealing. County court is a local court that has limited powers in civil cases. High court is the court where judges hear cases on serious crimes. Crown court are courts held in towns in England and Wales where judges hear criminal cases. Magistrates Court is a court held before two or more public officers dealing with minor crimes. Small Claims Court is a local court, which hears civil cases involving small amounts of money. Sue means to make a claim against someone or something. Over many centuries of law-making, two separate but related branches of the law have developed to meet with changing circumstances. They are called civil law and criminal law. Most civil cases are about disputes between individuals or groups, and very often these arguments are about rights. Examples include company law, adoption, accidents at work and consumer rights. Criminal law deals with offenses such as murder, theft and drug dealing. In a criminal case, the conflict is between the government, which acts on behalf of citizens, and those accused of breaking the law. The person who brings a case to a civil court is called the claimant. The person accused of wrongdoing is called the defendant. In some civil cases, the claimant sets out to sue the defendant. If the claimant wins, the defendant will have to give the claimant money, which is known as damages. The author of Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, sued the Daily Mail after they made false claims about her in a newspaper article. The Daily Mail apologized and paid damages, which she donated to charity. Most civil cases are heard in a county court. Because a court case can be very expensive, most people try to settle the dispute before it gets to court. A small number of civil cases are heard in a high court. These courts deal with complex cases, such as complicated family disputes, and other complicated financial and legal matters, like bankruptcy and large claims for damages. Any case involving £50,000 or more is heard in the High Court. If a civil case involves a claim of less than £10,000, it will be heard in a Small Claims Court. About 90,000 cases a year are heard in these courts. In a civil court, a judge sits without a jury to decide almost all civil cases. In a criminal court, less serious offences are dealt with in Magistrates Court and serious offences in Crown Courts before a judge and jury. In the exam, you might be asked to describe the difference between civil and criminal cases.
Up on the law.